Namaste. Good afternoon. Today we're going to speak about what is karma. Karma is not what most people think it is. There is a great misconception about karma. Karma is not a punishment. There is no punishing God. The divine does not punish us. Karma is simply the law of the universe. Whatever you give out, it is that which you will get back. If we give out love and compassion and joy, we will receive love and compassion and joy in our life. If we make people feel loved, if we make people feel wanted, if we spend our lives helping others and healing others, then we will receive that in our life. That is why seva or volunteer work, helping others, is very important. Every time we pray for someone else, help someone else in need, we are incurring what's called sat karma or good karma. We're simply incurring better experiences in our life. Karma is a tool to change your life, to keep a great and wonderful life, to better your life. It is not by any means a punishment. Thank you.